Okay, so it turns out last night we ran out of our oil. So with that, turns out our furnace is not running, so we have to restart the furnace. One of the first things we can do is hit the reset button. That's the red button right there. Okay, and if it doesn't fire up, then that means we're gonna have to drain some oil, get some air pockets out of the hoses, and try to see if this is gonna work. So let's see if we can reset it right now. Okay, you hear that? It is running, trying to go through, but no oil is going through the system, probably because of the air bubbles. So if you look in here, there should be a flame. And what this does is senses whether there's a flame or not, and it'll shut off automatically at about 30 seconds to 45 seconds. So right now it's telling me we need to try to kickstart this thing and drain, bleed some oil out of here so we can get this thing going. Okay, there it's shut off. So what we're gonna do is I need something to catch the oil coming out. So I got myself a little tin here with some cat litter, kitty litter in it. That will absorb the oil. And then we have a 3/8 inch wrench, which we are gonna bleed the valve. Where is that thing? We're gonna bleed the valve, which is right there. Okay, so we're gonna work on this and see what happens. So what I'm gonna do now is take my 3/8 inch wrench, put it to the valve, and turn it counterclockwise. Just did a couple little turns here. And now we're gonna come up here, we're gonna hit the reset button, and oil should start coming out. It should be foamy, and we're looking for a clear stream, or not a clear stream, but a stream that is solid in color. So you can see how there's air bubbles in there coming out. So we're waiting for a steady stream here. Still don't have that steady stream. And this may take 2 or 3 times until we get it. Right now that looks pretty good. So we're going to tighten that up. Okay, now that we have this tightened up, all right, we're going to come back over. We're going to hit the reset switch and hopefully hear it fire up and get the flame going. Oh yeah, I heard a difference there. Let's take a look, see what we got. All right, we got her going. Hopefully it stays going. If not, then I will have to probably bleed this 1 or 2 more times, but I think we got it. Okay, if this video is any way helpful to you, please like and subscribe, and catch me on some other DIY projects around the house.